guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Redragon keyboard not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're wondering how do you exactly fix your keyboard here or Redragon keyboard, well, there are going to be a few things that you could do. So in this case, generally speaking, for any problem that you may be encountering on your keyboard, so in this case, if you're sure it's not hardware related, it's more on software, well, in this case, you could actually try resetting your keyboard to fix any problem. So there are two ways to reset this. So the first method is using the function and print screen key. Now, you want to look for the function key, which in this case is going to be this one. And you want to look for the print screen key here, which in this case is going to be this one. Now, you want to press and hold this together for about 3 seconds, and this will actually reset your keyboard to its default state. Now, check if the keyboard is now working properly. Now, in this case, another way for you to reset this is by using the FN key again, as well as the escape key. Now, in this case, same thing. You want to go ahead and press these two buttons together for about like 3 seconds. And immediately after that, you want to press the F1, F2, F3, sorry, F1, F3, and then F5 keys simultaneously. Now again, press escape and FN keys at the same time for 3 seconds. Then press F1, F3, and F5 at the same time after pressing the F and escape keys. Now, your keyboard should now reset to its default settings, and you could go and just test your keyboard if it's switching light patterns or working properly. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.